Cruise Central at Jones Park. That's where all the cars that are coming to register come to get all the paperwork and everything done. It seemed to work out really well. There's a lot of space. All the cars were able to get in and out. They had it organized really well this year. I was able to catch a lot of cars before they kind of started to disperse across the coast. I mean, the events are usually taking place in 6 different cities, so you can go somewhere everywhere and see some of everything. But luckily, I was able to get down there to Jones Park right as a lot of them were coming in and just kind of, get all the shots that I really wanted at that time. But let's be realistic. With it being a turnout of 10,000 cars this year, not counting the people that came down and rode around that didn't register, there's no way you're going to shoot all those cars in 1 week. But I did the best that I could. This episode, we were lucky to come across Boris Williams. He is down with his C10 from Texas. I think he said it was a 9-hour ride to come down. So let's get into that.
Boris Williams coming to you, Cruisin the Coast 2025. Hey man, Frisco, Texas in the house. Drove over 9 hours to get here. No trailer queen right here. She all highway. So this is my 72 C10 pickup. We affectionately like to call her Snow White. So Snow White, she has a Blueprint 350 in it, 700 Ford, Sniper fuel injection on it. She really made to hit the road. I've done all the work except for the interior, which you can get a look at. Paul Gomez, shout out to him from Fort Worth, did all my interior work. But everything you see here, from paint, wiring, everything else was done by yours truly. The stands, I got QA1 coilover springs, shocks, all of that on it. So she really rides nice. She really handles nice. So I have a 68 Chevelle. We usually switch up when we come to Cruisin the Coast. We did the 68 Chevelle last year. So this year it's time for the 72 C10 pickup. So this is what you see. Appreciate you.
Man, thank you. So, what size brakes and all you got on?
So actually, here's the interesting thing about the brakes. I really have a standard brake setup, but I have an all-electric brake booster. So Bosch makes an all-electric brake booster that comes on a lot of your electric cars now. Retrofitsolutions.net. I met him at Good Guys. He started the company. He's out of Houston. And literally it's 3 wires to hook up an electric brake booster. Trust me, I can stop quicker than anybody out here.
Wow. What size wheels and tires do you have on it?
So 20-inch wheels, front and back. They are staggered, just to give it a little nice ride, nice profile.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. That's the original color?
Actually, the color is called liquid paper.
Oh,
the
wow.
ugliest color you can actually think about, but that's the name of the color on this. Liquid paper white. Yep.
What size engine?
350 Blueprint. Actually only have about 6,000 miles on it. I recently put it in, broke it in, did everything I need to do, and we're here now.
Okay.
So she's running. She's running.
How long have you had her?
So actually, I've had her since 2013.
Okay.
Uncle had it, went through a midlife crisis, felt he needed a sports car, so I told him I'd take this off his hand.
There you go.
So,
Win-win for everybody.
Win-win for everybody. So I've been slowly working on it, and we're having fun. So we're just doing it little by little, do a few mods, have fun, hit Good Guys, hit C10s in the park, down there in Waxahachie. We go all the way up to Summerlast, Blast, and Vernon. There's no stretch of road that this thing won't run on.
Awesome, man. Thank you for your time, man.
Man, appreciate you, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right.